Hello student, let's start a student class again. It is chapter 9 quadrilaterals and exercise 9.1. So okay, quadrilateral it is a flat shape with four sides and four angles. These all are the examples of the quadrilateral which has four sides and four angles. Okay, there are different types of quadrilateral. Three shapes I have kept here. One is all sides are equal. It is square, you know very well. It is opposite pair, opposite sides are equal, one pair, and it is the another pair, so it is rectangle. Here it is one pair is parallel, but other pair is not parallel, so it is a trapezium. So there are different type of quadrilateral. These different types are: first, parallelogram, and its properties I have written here with figure. Okay, in parallelogram, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Both pairs are parallel and equal. Like this, both pairs of opposite angles are equal. Okay, angle A equals C, B equal to D. Diagonals bisect each other. This diagonal bisect each other. This side is equal to this side, means OA is equal to OD. Sorry, OB. OA is equal to OC. OB is equal to OD. Got it? Next is a rectangle. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Each angle is 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Okay. Next, square. All four sides are equal. In square we know very well. And each angle is 90 degree in square. Next is all angles are 90 degree. Diagonals are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisector. It is the perpendicular also and perpendicular bisector. Rhombus, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Both pairs are parallel and they are equal. Okay. All four sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. And diagonals are not equal, but they are perpendicular bisector of each other. Now next is trapezium. One pair of opposite sides is parallel. Only one pair is parallel, but they are not equal. It's okay. And AB is not equal to CD, but AB is parallel to CD. Other pair of opposite sides are not parallel, but they may be equal. If they are equal, they are called the other pair. If they are equal, then it is called the isosceles trapezium. Then next is kite. Both pair of adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent side, these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. Okay, it is the figure of kite. So these are the 6 types of quadrilateral I have drawn here. Now let's start the exercise 9.1 from first question. The angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Okay, find all the angles of the quadrilateral. We know by angle sum property, sum of all four angles is 360 degree. Okay, so it is all the ratio is this. If you multiply by a constant number, so individual value you can get. If a constant is x, I have taken, so 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x are the four angles. By angle sum property, 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13 is equal to 360. So x is equal to 12. Now 3 into 12, it is 36. Next 60, next 108 and 156. These are the four angles. Okay. It is degree, you have to write it as it is the angle, not unit. Okay, it is the angles. Next, if the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Diagonals are equal as given. Now you have to take in such a way two triangle where these two part given part has given. So I have taken a triangle ABD and another one CBA. These two triangle I have taken. Okay, this one and this one. Now in these two triangle, in these two triangle, AB is the common side. AB is equal to BA. BC is equal to AD. Okay, and AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Now by side property, they are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, so they are bisecticity. We can say that angle A is equal to angle B, and angle A and B are co-interior angle. So therefore it is 90 degree. It is also 90 degree. So all the angles are 90 degree. One property here. Another property already has given, parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So all the properties we have got. So it is a rectangle. Okay. Now we have done is as angles are 90 degree. So hence it is a parallelogram and it is 90 degrees. So it is a rectangle. Got it? Next question number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle, diagonals bisect each other at right angle, then it is a rhombus. You have to prove. What to prove? That figure always you have to draw. So okay, it is the tricks. So it is rhombus you have to draw first. Then we prove that it is a rhombus. Now ABCD is a quadrilateral. Diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at O. So in triangle AOD, I have put in colored because to understood it clearly. So it is AC and BD bisect each other at O in triangle AOD and AOB. AOD and AOB, these two triangle. Okay, in these two triangle, now see, AO is equal to AO, it is the common side. OD is equal to OB has given bisectors. Okay, and angle AOD is equal to angle AOB. These two are AOD is equal to AOB. This right angle has given, bisect each other at a right angle. So by side angle side congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. So okay, by side angle side congruent. So by CPCT, AD is equal to AB. Okay, these two sides are equal. Similarly, from these two triangles we can prove AB is equal to BC. So that means all the sides are equal. So it is, when all sides are equal, it is a rhombus. It is the property of the rhombus. Got it? Now next, show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at a right angle. It has given it is a square and diagonals are equal and they bisect each other at a right angle. This is 90 degree we have to prove. Now, as it is a square, so all the sides are equal. To prove, AC is equal to BD. Second, AC bisects BD. And next part is they bisect at a right angle. Three parts we have to prove. First one, in triangle ABD and triangle ABAC. ABD and BAC, these two triangle. Okay, these two triangle. Now AB is common. AB is equal to BA. So okay, next is AD is equal to BC. These two sides are also equal because it is a square. And angle DAB, this angle A is equal angle B, as it is a square, so all angles are 90 degree. So by side angle side congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. As they are congruent by CPCT, BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. These two sides diagonals are equal. First point we proved. Now next, AOD, these two triangle dots I have given, AOD, BOC, in these two triangle. Now first check it. इसमें AD is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. And check it here. It is alternate angle. This angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. These are the alternate angle. So okay, two alternate angles are taken. Therefore, by angle side angle property, these two triangle are congruent. Therefore, AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Now see the figure. AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Okay. So diagonals bisect each other. Now bisect each other 90 degree. To for that you take these two triangle. Here one by one I am saying, in these two triangle, AB is equal to AC, sides of the square, and OB is the common side, and just now we have proved OA is equal to OC. Therefore, by side congruency rule, these two are congruent. As they are congruent, therefore this angle equal to this angle, and they are linear pair. Therefore, it is 90 and it is 90. Okay, 90 degree. So hence diagonal bisect each other at right angle. It is the fourth question, and next part I will explain you the remaining questions. Thank you very much.